The sides are determined by which is facing you. So, the side that's in front is the front side. The side in your right hand is the right side. The side in your left hand is the left side. The top is the up side, and the bottom is called the down side. Now, if you switch to a different side facing you, this side is now the front side. If you're like me and get absolutely frustrated when you see an unsolved Rubik's Cube, I hope to put an end to that. Now that the cube is scrambled, we're ready to solve the green cross. So for that, we'll start with the green side. So find the green dot in the middle. And now we're going to find these edge pieces that line up with the corresponding color on the opposite side. So we'll start with this orange, because orange and green line up, and we want to move it to the green side, so we twist this to the left once, and that brings it up here. So orange, orange, green, and we're good with that side. Now here's the yellow, and I'm going to turn this down, send this over to the yellow side, and then flip it up twice so it's into the green cross. But if you see here, this one is flipped, so the yellow should be on the bottom and the green should be on the top. So in order to move that, we need an algorithm, and that algorithm is front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. And now that switches this yellow and green, so they now line up. Here is the white, so simply twist the white and green edge piece to the white side and swing it up twice into the green layer. And the last one, red and green, once again, just because it's flipped doesn't mean anything. Flip it up. Red and green, it's flipped. Once again, use the algorithm. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. Now all the colors line up, and you have solved the green cross. We're ready to begin solving the green corners. So let's find a green corner. Here's one with a red and white attached to it. So we'll switch it to the white and red, and that'll belong right up here. So we're going to perform the algorithm: right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And as you can see, it is now here. It took multiple times. It can take, 1 to 2, 3, even 5 times. So if you can't get it, just keep going, because eventually you will if you're doing it properly. Now let's find white and orange. Move that to here. And this time we'll only have to do it once. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And this place is now correctly. Here's the orange and yellow. Move that to the orange and yellow side, and once again, right inverted, right, down. Where's the last piece? Here it is. Red and yellow. Switch that to here. Now, the previous ones were on this side. Now that it's on this side, we perform a different algorithm, which is down inverted, right inverted, down, right. And now we have solved not only the green side, but the entire top layer. Turn the cube over so the green is on the bottom, and begin solving the middle layer. Now in doing that, we have to find an edge piece that doesn't have blue in it, and move that so it lines up white, white, and then orange, which needs to be here. Now there's 2 different algorithms to solve the middle layer. Since it's on this side, which is the right side, we're going to use the algorithm up inverted, front inverted, up, front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. Now this moved the piece from here down into the orange, so they line up orange, orange, white, white. Now, the white lines up again, but red is on top. And now we have to move the red to the red layer. Now with doing that, since it's on the left side now, we're going to use the other algorithm, which is up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. And now that piece is moved from here to the white and red, so they now line up. Here's this yellow piece, so let's turn it to line up with the yellow side, and it belongs in this side, which means that the red has the piece in the right side, so we're going to do the algorithm up inverted, front inverted, up, front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. Now the pieces move from up here down here. Last one, here's the orange. It's on the right side, so we need to move it down here with the exact same algorithm, up inverted, front inverted, up, front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted. We're going to create a cross on the blue side. Now to do that, we're going to perform the algorithm front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now it doesn't matter which side you start with, as long as it's one of these four. And it doesn't matter how many times you do it, because eventually, front, right, up, right inverted, front inverted, you'll end up with your blue cross. Now don't worry at this point if these line up yet, just worry about getting your cross. Find the blue and red edge piece, turn that to the red side, and put that as the front. Now that that one's solved, we have to worry about this yellow one that's not in the right place. So, we'll perform this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. And as you can tell, the yellow is still not there. So once again, keep the red as the front, and just perform the same algorithm again. Right, right inverted, up, right, right inverted. Now if you look, the yellow piece has appeared, and they line up, but not only that, the orange and blue line up, and the white and blue. If that is not the case, and these two are switched, simply hold the orange as the front side, and perform the same algorithm. Now that the blue edges are solved, we're ready to begin solving the final blue corners. Now in doing that, we have to put the corners in the right spot. So, find a corner that is already in the right spot. It doesn't necessarily have to have blue on top. The blue could be here, but as long as these three colors match up, you're fine for now. And perform the algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Now, if you look around the cube, not only are these two solved, but these three colors are in the right order, and these three colors are on the right side. Now that we have all the corners in the right places, we just need to flip it into its position. Now in doing that, find a piece that is in the top right corner of a side, and perform this algorithm. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right. Now, even though that it's in this place, do not forget to turn the down side once again after you get this in. Now, instead of turning to a new face to solve this, only turn the top layer so that this new corner is in this side. Now don't worry about all the stuff that's moved around since then. It will go back. Trust me. We're going to perform the same algorithm. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. And if these steps are followed correctly, you will have solved a Rubik's Cube.